The following video is proudly presented by MightyOxTrading. All information contained in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It is not financial or investment advice. Good morning, Vietnam. No, traders. Welcome. Hey Jay, how you doing? Hope everyone had a great night. Hope everyone's having a good morning. As we get ready to tackle the markets, we're actually getting a trigger candle right now. Got one here. This worked. Oh wait, this is on a 5-minute chart. We don't want a 5-minute chart, guys. We want a 1-minute chart. Oh wow, interesting chart back there. Anyway, so you see some consolidation here. Go through that in a minute. It's interesting. 5-minute chart trying to pop back up. It's kind of interesting. Oh, compare. One day I need to compare 1 minute and 5 minutes. Anyway, and Q overnight dropped all the way down to 145. 141. It's popped back up to 229. High was in Asia. 392 down to 141. That's about 250 points if my early morning math is right. As we continue to kind of bleed out. Low of the year, 11,068. Will we get there? Will we? That's the question we have to ask ourselves. We don't have to ask ourselves. It'd be kind of cool if we did. Anyway. Kappa. I didn't move my yellow lines. I had my nose in the phone. Copper fallen, but with a quick rise up. Kind of rose up same time in Q did there. Interesting, huh? I wonder if something happened at that time. Anyway, about 120 ticks. Yeah, look at that. Gold rose up that same time. Something happened around 6 a.m. Gotta check the news. Gold with about 16 points of volume. Ultra bond. Oops, I have it on a daily chart because we're now. The Ultra bond has dipped to a level that we have not seen since 2011. It may even be longer now because I was checked that last night when it was like 2 points higher. Yeah, about a little less than, a little more than about 2 points of range. Good morning, Mohit. Crude oil popping back up. Trying to get it back to, up to 79. Low is about 76.5. About 2.5 points of range there. And natural gas. Last but not least, falling. Not afraid. Oops, I blew up crude. Not afraid of falling. Thank you. And I can't find there's my other yellow line. How's India today, Mohit? So about 8, a little over 300 ticks of range for natty gas. That's where we sit or stand or whatever body position you're in. And we're kind of trying to rise up here on the NQ. So that's where we stand now. Right back down. It's kind of messing with us. Don't want to get caught up in chop early. We are up. Oh yeah, I didn't change my P&L. I am actually up, which I know is probably shocking to everybody. Up by $88. Get excited, people. Get excited. An announcement coming up today, probably around 9 o'clock, 9:15. Exciting, exciting addition to MightyOxTrading. Nice move down here. So low at this current move is 193. Let's change parameters. Do a 1210. And gonna short here. Try our first trade of the day. I have my eggs in front of me, so I'm gonna eat while we watch see how this trade plays out. Back up. I probably should have taken my quick profit there instead of trying to play it out. Let's watch. It is kind of hitting those upward trending bands. That's a bounce waiting to happen. See if we can get out here with a profit. We'll watch. But if it starts engulfing that last candle, we'll get out. Yeah, it bounced. See if it comes back down for us at all. There we go. That's what I was hoping for. Good morning, Dakota. How are you today? Nope. Bounce right back up. See if it comes down. We'll let it play out. Maybe we won't. It was a badly managed trade on my part. Doing good. Thanks, Dakota. Maybe my bad management will be rewarded. Kind of consolidating here. Does it want to give us some movement down or not? Or does it just want to go long enough to make my eggs get cold? we're playing with fire here as it tries to consolidate. Oh, there we go. There we go. Doesn't want to seem to give us more than that. Let's trying. Yeah, come on. There we go. Target hit. All right. So, wasn't the greatest entry on my part, but hey, it worked. That was a $250 trade. We're now up $335 on the day. Great way to start the morning. Thank you, Dakota. And we got out. Wow. Trading gods were with me there. It literally, it only went down to my profit target. It didn't go down a single tick more. Now I may come back down, but as of right now, that was perfect. I'm going to go back to my eggs now as we wait for our next perfect entry. So, wow. If I had gone one less tick, this could have turned on me. Now I probably would have got out, but before this happened. But this is back, coming back up. I don't like this as an entry though, even though it is changing color. Good morning, Justin. Doing well. Already got a win under my belt this morning, so that's always a good thing. Plate of scrambled eggs in front of me, so life is good. Now we're kind of sideways here. The eggs are almost done. Oh, back down. Uh, hey, Crypticon, and I believe that was Chef, not Glitch. Glitch is having a problem with Glitch is having a problem with NinjaTrader. Chef's having a problem with the Hurricane. And Chef's just in preparation mode. Yeah, lots of issues. Yeah, that night stream, we have one with a broken arm, one dealing with a hurricane, we have one dealing with NinjaTrader issues. So yeah, but yeah, Chef's just preparing right now. He's on the opposite coast where they expect it to hit after it goes through the state. So hopefully, it weakens enough that he's not that affected. It's not up this early, so haven't really checked in with him. But yeah, he's more of a, I think, late Thursday, early Friday before the hurricane gets to him. Yep. We're gonna play all topsy turvy here now. How are you doing this morning, Crypticon? How are you feeling? Yep, this looks like a good take here actually. Maybe not. As it goes back to red. Oh, I will give you purple. You worked earlier. Good. And we're hanging on the EMA. Sorry about that. Coming back down. Yeah, appreciate the likes, guys. Hitting that thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. Huh. Wonder where Robin is this morning. She usually says hi by now. Well, this is ugly, so we're going to stay out of this. Ugliness abounds. Part of me thinks we're heading down. So we try not to have judgment. Chart positivity here. Morning, Matt. So we're kind of in the middle of the range, not really middle, toward the bottom, but you can see we're downtrending in this hourly chart. 141 was our low, so we're about 70 points above there. Checking each of our charts. Yeah, 30-minute looks short. 15-minute tried to pop up. Back below its EMA. 5. It's just to see where we go today. I don't know where we're going. I only know where we've been. Oh, and BTC back under 19,000. Ethereum back under 1,300. So right now, kind of a choppy down. We are about 6 minutes from the top of the hour. Yep, we're just hanging here. What's everything else doing here? Gold moved down, trying to pop back up. Crude oil back under 79, trying to get there. Ultra bond, slight move up. Copper. You'll never get me, copper. Oh, sorry. Natural gas, that beautiful beam footage. Battery's trying to pop out of my mouse. Now we're going up and down with bigger candles. Up, down, left, right, AB start. It's actually up, down, AB, up, down, left, right, AB start. So I want to thank everyone for being here this morning. Hope you're having a good day so far. So far I am. Hopefully we can keep adding to it. Our future's so bright. We gotta wear shades. Oh yeah. This is yucky. Yucky, yucky, yucky. Oh, sorry to hear that. That it turned on you. Can't trust these treasuries. I mean, you can't trust these assets. They all will turn on you in a minute. They will bite the hand. They will bite you. They will hurt you. They will maul you. Oh, getting over a little dramatic, aren't I? Thank you, Dakota. Yeah, I keep forgetting to check that. We are just absolutely chop best city here. Choppy, choppy, choppy. Chop, chop makes traders drop. Trying to break out of this range here. We are just a few seconds before it's at. Oh, just as I say that, we have a big bar up. I love this bar. Mr. G, are you doing all right down there? So that was a trigger candle. Maybe I should have taken it. We'll see. See, we also have this morning at 8:30 wholesale inventories, retail inventories, and advanced goods trades balance. A whole bunch of Fed speakers and crude oil inventories. Nice bar there. So ended up being finally broke the range. Just don't know about how I could have taken that to trust it. Okay. Other than I mean like uh what are are you're down there in the hurricane area, G? Yeah, it's well, I was thinking about power outage. Are you safe from like where you're at? Like, are you safe from flooding and all that fun stuff? And like your house isn't gonna get blown away. Beautiful move up here. Recent high over here 241, 242, something like that. We're heading back if it heads back up in the threes. Good. Well, if you can, Mr. G, do us a favor. If you do lose power, I know you have to conserve everything, but at least, send a message to let me know you're okay. You can email me or whatever, just quick with your phone or whatever, just to let me know you're okay. So you can get back to us. Of course, I monitor your Twitter as well, so. Good morning, Black Beauty. So strong move up here with the top of the hour. My algos liked it. They liked it. They loved it. They want some more of it. Anyway. That's still pretty windy there. Well, back up to 250. Nice strong move here. Oh yeah, was there some type of news at 6 a.m. this morning that sent everything higher? I forgot to look. Can you take us higher? Oh, let's look back. Oh, Bank of England. Yes, there was. Bank of England will carry out temporary purchases of long-dated UK government bonds. Purpose of these purchases be to restore orderly market conditions. The purchase will be strictly time limited. That's why everything popped up at 6 a.m. this morning. Now we're consolidating at this level, pulling back just a tad. We're about 9 o'clock, 9:15 or so. We have a little announcement for MightyOxTrading. I'll be here for that. Maybe I'm hyping this up too much. It's not that exciting, but popping, popping, continuing up. So over 40 points off that trigger. Now I noticed on consolidation, if you look here how it's consolidated, it dipped down, came back up, dipped a second time, and then came up. When it got away from that EMA, that would have been a good indication there that we're going up. 10:30. 10:30 Eastern, Mike. Oh yeah, yeah. That move was starting even before that. I'm not exactly sure what caused that. Yeah, that was quite the move down. I was streaming on Sharevision at that time, and unfortunately, I did not get the move. I tried to get in off that candle, and that little pop back up stopped me out, and then I didn't get back in. So yeah, I didn't get that move. But you can see we actually dropped about 170 points. I didn't see any news, so I'm not sure what exactly precipitated that. Which is another good reminder that if you trade Asia or you enjoy watching someone trade Asia, every evening I trade the Asia session live on Sharevision. They're a startup company trying to become the YouTube of finance. Starts at 7:45 Eastern. We stream for about 2.5 hours or so. Sometimes longer, sometimes shorter if it's a really dead night. Feel free to join me over there. Pulling back to the EMA. No, Sharevision. It's a new platform. Uh, like I said, they're a startup company. They're trying to become YouTube of finance. Hold on a minute. Let me bring it up here. This is Sharevision. They're, like I said, they're first dedicated streaming platform for the world of finance. Been in business a little over a year, and I have a channel here. Basically, I'm there because they pay me to stream, but they're improving. The platform's still a little rough, but my channel. Ooh, I got another follower. There we go. So join me over there. Nightbot's posted the link in the chat for anybody interested. It's also in the video description below. Pull one down here, sending a trigger. I don't know. I don't like this trigger for some reason. Don't tell it I said it, but it's not tickling my fancy here. We'll see if I'm wrong. Good morning, Burrow. All right, Crypticon, we'll see you later. I should have taken that maybe. We'll see. That's a good question. I mean, it continues. Look at Bitcoin just for fun. Hourly chart. Every time they think it gets ahead of steam, it gets killed again. It hasn't really broken that 18,000. I think it dipped. I thought it dipped under 18 just once here, but I mean, it just not able to get any real head of steam at all before it gets knocked back down. It's gonna be interesting. I mean, Bitcoin seems to definitely follow the market more and more. So if we continue to see moves down in the market, thank you for my reminder, G. I said I didn't like this here, and it looks like so far I was right, but it might still be trying here. Hard to believe we're almost at the end of September already. It's definitely been a bloody September, which has been the normal. Yep, you're consolidating around the EMA. All right, G. Oops, wrong channel. Did it look right? For anyone wants to check out Mr. G's YouTube channel, Winning Wall Street's Money, here's the link. Yep, trying to turn around here. You're welcome, G. Well, I mean, October's seen some of the biggest crashes in the stock market history, so October we might not be out of the boat either there. Welcome, Mill Gossip. How are you doing today? Just kind of hanging here. We have one win under our belt this morning. 2 for 3 last night, so we're up $335. It's a good day so far. Hey, Rod. Ooh, nice candle there. 13 points up. So we're trying to rise up. How's Australia today, Rod? Strong candle. Can it get above? Can it rise up? Yeah, I mean, it's giving some nice moves, but it's also spending a lot of time around the EMA. We can see consolidation here, here, and here. This consolidation here, maybe decide, maybe hesitant on that move. I did get a win here, but yeah, this is it's a little tough when it's constantly consolidating to figure out when it's going to break out. Okay. Break on through to the other side. And there's the pop. Pop, pop, pop. We're up to 265 here. So it's, you can see there's a little bit of consolidation in this area earlier. After we came up, down, up, down, then that's where we fell. The amount of people that actually ask to hear me sing is astounding to me. Well, we're approaching Christmas season. You're going to hear a lot of Christmas songs. You can also see that this area was a top back here around 4 a.m. ish before this moved down. After this nice little move up, kind of stalling. Up to 272. Crude oil, nice little bump up there. Trying to get up to 80, but maybe running to a roadblock. Nice move up here on gold. Very nice move. Very quick move. Wow, let's look at this move on gold. You see here, this obviously was a trigger. Of course, I missed the trigger by one. There we go. And look at this. Why is gold running all of a sudden? This is a 13-point move in under half an hour. And Q continues to push higher here, up to 81. High of this boost off of that Bank of England news was 306. High of our Globex session was 392. Pulling back here a bit, giving up that last green candle. As we approach a little bit of news here at 8:30. U.S. wholesale inventories month over month. U.S. retail inventories. U.S. advanced goods trades balance. And then at 8:35 we have a Fed speaker. At 10 after 10 we have a Fed speaker. And at 10:15 we have Powell speaking. At 11 o'clock we have Fed's Bowman speaking. And at 2 o'clock we have Fed's Evans speaking. Sorry, they should get 1 day a month if they're allowed to speak. Okay, pull back, trying to head back up. Copper with a nice move out there. Ultra Bond sprang to life. I'm expecting to soon hear Dakota say he got a trade. See, Ultra Bond sprang to life right at the top of the hour as well. And that's a nice trigger candle there. And it's risen up about 3/4 of a point. We'll see it pulling back a bit there. That was definitely a nice move. That dip that hit, yeah, Hassan. It's just a quick dip and then back up. And you see we hit 281 there on NQ, pulled down to 260, so 21-point drop. Definitely seeing some movement today. Gold's kind of leveled out here, as does crude. And now up and down, or down and up. Fox and Sox. We have news hit. Obviously, the market's not real impressed by it. Either way, let's see if we have numbers. Numbers. U.S. wholesale inventories, 1.3%. That beat the expectation of 0.4%. U.S. retail inventory, 0.6%. Didn't see an expectation on that. U.S. advanced goods trades balance, negative 87.30 billion. Expected was at negative 89 billion, so that beat a little bit as well. But the market doesn't seem to really care. Market don't care. Highway don't care. Yep. It's dipping down here to the EMA. It just tickled it. It's an EMA tickler. And popping back up. So it tickled the EMA and then popped. Strong pop. Very strong. Almost 18 points. It's got above that high of that last candle there. So see, we're trying to get back up in this territory. Trying to get back up to 300. Good morning, Travis. How are you today? I'm doing all right, thank you. Trying to make today a wonderful day. I knew what you meant, Travis. I speak fluent typo. You be at 17. Oh, nice. That's looking good. Up 9 ticks. 12 ticks. It's actually being quite rowdy there, as CFT would say. Rowdy likes some. CFT likes some rowdy bond action. Nice job, Dakota. AQ stalling right below 300. CES has made its way up to 3664. Gold stalling around 1646. Crude sitting just under 80. Morning, John. Should I call it a short earlier? I missed the buy twice. Take it you caught that, John? Oh yeah, that's right. I forgot about the news there, Dakota. Say that 5 times fast. Glad I put my put in. Glad I put my put in. Glad I put my put in. Oh, it actually comes off the tongue easy. Never mind. Apple. Gonna start pulling my weenie impression, bringing up things that people mentioned. It didn't sound right at all. Weenie from Weenie Trades, for those unaware. What the heck was that? Moved to a 15-minute chart on that. Nice, John. How's the algo doing? There's the break of 300. So off that trigger candle back there, we've come up on like 80 points. Hanging just above 300 here. We're about 52 minutes from the bell. Morning, Robin. Said earlier how you hadn't been here yet. Usually you're here earlier. Yep, those darn Fed speakers. Nice job on the scalping there, Rob. So, moving on up to the deluxe apartment in the sky. We're moving on up. Yeah, crude trying to break 80 here. Natural gas continuing to dip with no rip. $324 the high this move. And look at that. No wait, no wait. We have gotten higher than the Bank of England bounce. Pulling back now. Morning, JC. How you been? Sorry to hear that, John. Yep, green so far. 2 wins out of 3 trades last night. 1 out of 1 this morning. We're kind of hesitating here on this level, 310. Still rising up. After that little pullback, coming back up Continuing up, I should say. Higher and higher. Strong candle here, 17 points. The 334. ES also rising up to 36.76. Ultra Bond's continuing to rise, gotten up to 136. Remember Ultra Bond, for those that care, I mean, obviously it doesn't affect us for day traders, but it's always fun to look back. We were at an 11-year low for the Ultra Bond. We have not been this low, or the lows that it hit over the last 2 days, since 2011. Big, big move here on NQ. Copper level. Of course, the Dow's rising up with everything else. Gold's decided to take a nap. "15 minutes until the energies desks open for crude and natural gas. 45 minutes until the bell for the equities." And are we going to get to high day here? Or high day, or high Globex 392. It's a strong 137 point candle. Awesome job, JC. See, I wish I had the guts to do that, because there's so many trades that would work if I have the ability to do 10 contracts at once on top step, on the first step, and 10 contract, I need 6,000, so that would be what? Need so I need 6,000. We only need 600 a contract, so that'll only be a 30-point trade on 10 contracts. But alas, I don't have that kind of gumption. I say gumption. Pulling back just a bit here. Pulling back here just a tad. Definitely got kind of extended there. 354, 355 was the high actually. 10 minutes until top of the hour. So nice pullback here, about 30 points already. Nice job, Mike. Pulls down toward that EMA. As we wait for some action here. Gold trying to pull down a little bit. Crude also pulling down. Crude did get above 80 for a couple of seconds. 80.04 got up to a couple of times. Now down about 50 ticks from there. And I'm kind of sitting here at about 23, 25. After this beautiful move up, things pull back a little bit. Waiting for some more action. A little less talk and a lot more action. Although if I talk less, everyone complains. So we want more talk and more action. Natural gas. Yeah, nice rise up. Bottomed out at 6.565. Already back up to 6.735. So almost a 200 tick increase back up. Those that can figure out how to trade and tame natural gas are very wealthy people. And possibly slightly insane. I would say baby fishing all this week. I think about energies. As of 2 hours ago, for those following, Ian is now at 155 miles an hour, trying to become a Category 5. From Jim Cantori of the Weather Channel. It's our weather report here on MightyOxTrading. Now to traffic. Oh. Phillies lost last night. Pulling down, still hanging here. This is a trigger candle here, 5 minutes before top of the hour. I don't necessarily like it here. I like it and I don't. It's conflicting signals. I got these strong uptrending bands, but I got a downward momentum on the bottom area. Taking the short. See what we can get here quick. Ooh. That quick bounce. Down then up. I'm in at 11,317 and a half. Only about 6 ticks late that time. There we go, getting some momentum downward. Popping back up. Popping fresh dough. Nice job, Mike. Up, back up to my entry point. Should have taken it maybe. We'll see. Got 20 seconds on this candle. You see it popping there. Yep. Should have taken that quick hit there. Let's see if it comes back down for us. In 2 minutes, Black Beauty. 9 a.m. Eastern. Very volatile here. Don't like holding through the tops of hours sometimes, but we'll see what happens. There we go. I do not, John. After I'm out of this trade, I can see if I can find out. It's popping up now. Don't like that. Yep. Think I might take a stop out here. Top of the hour in 10 seconds, so we'll see if it comes down or goes up or does nothing. So far down. I like down. There we go. Still not wanting to break through. Trouble breaking through there. Back to break even. Fight here at this level. Ouch. There's the stop out. So should have taken it off the table, I guess, when it didn't break. So backwards now. Up 131 now in the day. Took a $200 hit there. Let's see, crude oil on the energy's desk opening dipped about 30 ticks and then ripped up and got back above 80, up to 80.21. The dip and rip, as they say. Copper trying to come back up. Gold still hanging there. What did Natty Gas do there? Natty Gas continuing to rise up. Wow, big, nice move up there on Natty Gas. Thank you, screwed me. I did not enjoy it. Pulling back. So I should have took the quick profits there because we were having these uptrending bands. This is still part of an uptrend. There was a pullback, but still in an uptrend. I should have took the quick profits. I could have got 100, 150, something like that. I need to stop, getting into trades and just to keep expecting them to go one direction. I need to learn how to get out quicker. And yet, sometimes I'm like, I get out too quick. It's this whole conundrum. 3-bar play here, possibly heading back up. It's a conundrum, it is. I don't know. A lot of information to be processing really quick. It's a thought, Jay. Fortunately, it's not something I can back test real easy. So we're watching here, pulling back just a tad. Did not get up as high as the last so far. So this could still mean we're starting to head down this dip. So we'll see how far this comes up. We are 25 minutes from the bell. I'm still trying to head up. Up. So yeah, it was just a dip. It was a nice dip. I mean, if you include the entire dip, which is a really big bowl of salsa, it was about 40 points. A dip. Morning, Andrew. How are you today? Oh yeah. Wow, look at this Ultra Bond ripping. Come for the trading, stay for the sound effects. Almost 2 full points off that last trigger candle. And it hasn't even pulled back enough to make my EMA change color there. That is quite the move. What if that has anything to do with the Bank of England's move? Bank of England started quantitative easing again, buying bonds back, and now everyone thinks that the Fed's going to as well. Ooh, pull back. A 22-point move down and a trigger. Do I try again here? I didn't, but I have a feeling I should have. We'll see. Once bitten, twice shy. Yep, that would have given me exactly what I was looking for. We'll see if it would have given me more. How's trading been going, Andrew? Yep, I should have. So once bitten, twice shy, as I said, and it's cost me here. You can see this move down was perfect. Got about 20 points. Morning, Ace. Very nice. Oh yeah, look at this. This is dropping like a rock now. All of a sudden. Why, Ace? We're all hanging on this answer. Oh, ouch. Okay, wait. Okay, so I'm glad you got cleaned up, and that's totally disgusting. Are you okay that you from the fall? Thank you for sharing your adventures with us, Ace. It's a good question. Very good question. So we have a little bounce here. Got back down under 300, down to 286. Now bouncing back up to over above 300. Might be an important area today. uh, well, maybe, well, maybe that was the cat's way of telling Ace that he smelled bad. Cats are smarter than you give them credit for. those are gifts for you, Ace. That's actually high praise. Uh, we got a trigger candle here, but I don't like it. The Moxie indicator. I trade golf. I've never heard of the Moxie indicator. Everyone knows about the Moxie indicator, but trade golf, no. So guys, I got a little announcement here. I should have taken that trigger candle. Little announcement besides that I missed a trigger candle. MightyOxTrading is proud to announce, as soon as I find my software here, proud to announce we have launched our own Discord channel, our Discord server. It's opening today. We've got things in place already. Build most of it up, but obviously we'll take suggestions if anything to add. We have a place for the live streams, a place for CFT's videos, general chat, trader talk, little place for beer money, a spot for brand new traders to start the learning, and we can help them. And we'll, like I say, we'll add some stuff. We have a special place for prop firm discounts, announcements, and so on. Hoping to become a nice little place where futures traders can come and hang out. Like I said, we'll continue to add channels if there's anything. We don't want 100 channels that nobody uses, but if there's any ideas for channels to add, be happy to do that if we see the need. CFT, Justin, Matt, Chef are all mods. So I hope you'll join me on the MightyOxTrading Discord. There's the link. Come join us. Have some fun. Talk trading, talk about anything. Hang out. Let's build up a good community. It's not hard. So come one, come all. Join us, join us, join us. As I need to find my software again to look back at the chart. There we go. Did you shower, Ace? Or is the smell still there? How long so far hasn't gone real far. At your funeral, they'll be like, "What's that smell?" So here we are popping back up, trying. So we got above. That was a trigger candle. Move this. So there we go. We'll see where this goes. High growth mindset. A lot of people have been having this problem with Apex. I don't know if it's a rhythmic thing or an Apex thing. I've been hearing mostly from Apex traders. I mean, I'm literally running on another prop firm's Rhythmic. I'm literally running 25 tests off of Rhythmic and not seeing issues. I'm running 25 different sim accounts on one account. Okay. Let me just quickly check on that. Let me actually look at a chart here and see when my trade entered on the last test. This is on not one test. Okay, give me a second. I'll look at trade performance and let you know. Give me a second here. We are less than 10 minutes from the bell. Oh, yeah, it won't tell me, will it? Oh, that won't tell me either. Hold on. Give me a second here, guys. My entries are right on, because on my test, the entries are designed to enter right at the close of a candle, and all my entries on these tests are happening within a second of a candle close. And then Q rises up again. Hey, Crypticon, welcome back. Now remember, if Discord's your thing, new MightyOxTrading Discord has been launched. Come join us as we build community for futures traders by futures traders. And it's build a nice community. Okay. As we are 4 minutes to the bell. No, this is my Discord, 100%. This is not to take away from the other one I'm a mod of, but I just felt it was time that we branched out and had our own. Uh, Basically today. I mean, it was set up a few days ago. I've been working on the finishing touches of it, but I mean, I'm literally launching it today. The only people that were there before today were the mods and me. Not yet. I was planning on doing that after the stream. I should have set up a timed tweet, but I didn't. And I delayed the announcement by a few minutes while we waited for Ace to finish talking about cat vomit. Nice job, Dakota. I think I've lost track of how many points you're up to. I mean, ticks you're up today. Yeah, I'll be posting it on Twitter, Instagram, Reddit, and all that after stream. So now we are. You did miss it. I announced it right after Ace's cat vomit story. The announcement was that we launched a Discord. We now have a Discord for MightyOxTrading. Link again for anyone that missed it. So down or up today? Black Beauty predicted a dump day. I don't know if she said Apple was going to dump, so that usually means the market dumps. Yeah, Ultra Bond. Oh yeah, wow! I didn't. While I was announcing Discord, Ultra Bond went up another full point since I last looked. That's quite the move. And a minute to the bell. $30. You can see this is the hourly chart on the Ultra Bond. You can just see just how huge of a move that was. Two straight over 1 point candles, almost 3 total points in the last 2 hours. Anyway, we're getting ready here. We have 5 seconds to the ding. Ring-a-ling, my ding-a-ling, ding 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 ding. Batman. Oh, I don't know. I don't know why we had a bat bell there, but okay, whatever. Moving down 12.5. Wow, strong move down. 16. getting stuck here though. Let's see. ES is down 5, and cubed is down 9. Gold continued its rise up after pausing. Wow, that's a nice rise up there on gold. Good luck, ace. Ouch, that's not a good sound. Popping back up here just a tad. Not real fast moving. We're down 6 points on NQ. We're down 5 on ES. ES is moving faster. But no real conviction here yet. Ugly candles there on the 1. Damn it. Yeah, down move. Starting to get some momentum there. Still 16 points. Excuse me. Yep. Now we're starting to get some momentum down. Now down 30 points on this opening 5-minute candle. They got about a minute and 15 to go on it. So this was a trigger and it did work, kinda, sorta. With a 15-point stop, it would have worked. And it seems like down is the direction we go. We're under 300. Wow. There we go. Now we got some oomph. For a second there, we were oomphless. But now, big move down here. We're now down 60 points on this candle. You were right on the short there, Ace. 17 points down on ES. It just was indecisive for a minute. Well, this move to 66, we see a big pop up here. Popping like it's hot. Popping like it's hot. If this is just a 1 bar pullback or if this is our momentum. Uh, so it popped up a bunch from 66 all the way back up to 310, and now it's trying to come back down. Agriculture, a little bit of a rise up there at the open. So on that first 5 minute candle, NQ ended up being down 48 points. ES ended up being down 11 and a half. It tries to move up. And back down. Strong move down. Get a little rowdy here, as CFT would say. Oops, I somehow lost. There it is. No, okay, I got it. Popping down. Yep. Down seems to be the direction it wants to go. But you can't always get what you want. Indecisiveness right now. Right under 300. Gold's leveled out. Hit 650, 1655. Crude. Try to stay above 79. Natural gas is kind of sine wavy. We see a pullback here on the Ultra Bond. After that incredible move up, copper is choppy. So we have a chopper. Chopper copper. Lean hogs try to pop up. And back up to the EMA. It's a strong candle up, 14 points. So does not seem to want to come down any further at this point. Let's see. You see this down, up, at the EMA now. Woo. And bursting. Alright, folks, if you're enjoying the content here today, you hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm. I would really appreciate it. No pressure. And it's pushing down. This candle's, wow. It's trying to be a trigger, but yeah, the wick's bigger than the body. And down. So I was thinking about taking that short because of the way that the selling pressure came in there, but I didn't have the conviction to do it. Down 22 points. Indecisiveness. I really am not comfortable playing this right now. Looking to see whether or not there's plays anywhere else. Thank you doing there. That's it. D. So 25 points down, 20 points back up. More than that, 30, 31. Down, up, 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 down, up. Yep, thank you, Dakota. Dakota is reminding us we have news at the top of the hour in 15 minutes. We have U.S. pending home sales change. And then Powell speaks at 10:15, scheduled to speak at 10:15. We have Boyard speaking at 10:10. Pulling back. So that being a trigger candle there, obviously, and then I mean it would have worked, but this is just I'm not sure I like it. I'm not sure I love it. I'm not sure I want some more of it. The trigger candle back down. It's technically not a trigger. Well, I mean, yeah, ended up being a trigger, so we'll see. I'm not taking it, but yeah, you can see went back up, up, down, maybe coming down. Market has not decided which way it wants to go. Someone give it a direction marker. Took a wrong turn at Albuquerque. That's a good point, Ace. Popping up. Back down and back up. Tops it heavy. When you give it away. So I want to start marking these. Not work. The ups are working. Work. Work, 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 work. Little Rihanna. Up. That one did not work. Downs are not. Now you can see how quickly, this is why I'm staying out. This is just Chop City with big candles. Now we have the up move. Add some more to this chart because there's just not enough lines here. CFT would go into a seizure. That's our 10-minute opening range. 74-point range. Broke above, got up to 352. You can see that's an area though. Got up to 354 there, 353 there, 351 there, and now 352 there. So it cannot get above that area. Quick rejection back down. Whenever Black Beauty says something, I quickly check the crude chart to see what she's talking about. Apple is dumping as she predicted. I don't follow Apple, so I don't know what exactly constitutes a dump, but yeah, it's definitely fallen. Still trying to head up. Go try and break that area. Up, still not. Member news coming up in a few minutes. Pull one back down. Trying to break here, but yep, there's the break. Technically, that was the trigger candle. I don't know if I want to trust any of these. I hate this type of price action. But it did come up, and it did get momentum coming back down, so I should have trusted it. We'll see what happens. This choppiness. Choppy, 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 choppy. So let's see. Technically, that was a trigger candle. It came down. It did work. It came down 16. Though, any slippage, it might not have worked, although it might still be working. See if it continues to come down. Excellent. G? Yeah, Dakota, I agree. It's why I do have some tests running on tick charts as well. Fortunately, unfortunately, TradingView does not have tick charts. Popping back up. Popping fresh dough. I did that already today. Sorry. So yeah, news coming in just a couple. Yucky, yucky, yuck. Yucky, yuck, and the yucky bunch. Never know what's going to come out of my mouth. Popping. Stopping, hopping like a rabbit. Down we go. Stairway to heaven. Yeah, they are looking bullish. Strong candle up here. Wow, boom. 30 on the news. News. U.S. pending home sales change. Negative 2%. Expect it was negative 1.5%. So that was a miss. The market likes it. Wow, market really likes it. Okay, I did not expect that news to cause that reaction. 60 points, basically. Broke that opening range. And back down by 22. So up and then right back down. It's giving away that 3/4 of that huge bar. Wow, gave away back the whole bar. We love this news. No, we hate this news. Oh my god. See if it wants to push down now, back inside that opening range. Likes it there. It feels comfy. And pop it back up. Wait, are you running behind? Do I have a lag today, Mike? We have been running just a 2 to 3 second lag. So, are you seeing lag? Trying to push down here. Matt LaRocco, you're my lag tester. Are you here? I should be running ultra low latency, which have been running 2 to 3 seconds. Pull one down. Yeah, but Ace, it was 2 to 3 seconds, so I'm kind of wondering. So Ace, if you're not in a trade right now, bringing up my clock, tell me what you see versus what your time is. Cool. Thank you, Randwolf. As we can grind down here, we're back under 300. Uh, wow. Are you on a computer or phone, Justin? Wow. Those of you with the longer delays, are you on PC or phone? Also, as we're watching this grind down. Huh, okay, let me see something. Huh. Try and see if you're on the little red bar down at the bottom. Try and pull that back and push it to the very far right to see maybe if that catches you up at all. Just curious, we were doing very well. The flag. So we're dropping down here. Notice we're at that low of that opening range, 266. We're about 271 here. Yeah, I mean, different connections are going to get different lag for sure if you have a slower internet connection or whatever. But 13 seconds seems high either way. And the fact that Justin's also getting, although I know Justin's probably taxing his computer a little bit right now. Yeah, I'm not sure. That's interesting. No idea why that's happening there. Like I said, if you're on the stream, like, let me go to my own channel. I always hate listening to myself. I'll make sure I'm muted. Let me just do something here. How do I do it though? Give me a sec. I can't do that. Give me a sec. As I try to figure something out here. Da, 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 da. Oh. Ah, this is hard to coordinate. I have about a 2 second lag. I brought my own stream up on my in Chrome, and I have about a 2 second lag. Ranwolf at 4 second, Justin 10 second. I'm not sure why. Okay, so you refreshed. Yeah, I'm curious if you don't mind, like refresh and see if it's the same. It's definitely you seem to have the worst. And so try. I'm curious what happens if you refresh, if you feel like it. No pressure. As we pop back up, and there's a trigger on the for the long side. A nice move. We can try it. Oh yes, the GPS watch. In case you get attacked by a cougar on your running trail. Oh yeah, absolutely. 2 seconds is good. Now it was worrying me when I was hearing 10 seconds and all that. That was worrying me. 2 seconds, that's fine. Aha. Back right back down. Taking a short here might be a mistake. Yep, that was a mistake. He immediately stopped out. So we're negative on the day. Now I feel more comfortable. Down 72 on the day. Oops. Well, I forgot to turn the scene thingy back off, so now you see me updating the P&L. There we go. And I somehow missed the parentheses. Save. And back up. I should have took the up. That would have worked. Yep, the P&L is just a quick text edit, text file edit. So we have about 20 minutes to go. Remember, I am on Sharevision every night, 7:45 Eastern Time. Let's go see what the Fed speakers are saying. Oh yeah, I misplaced my, moving all the windows around and misplaced my windows. There we go. Fed's Bostic. I do not believe a recession in the United States is a foregone conclusion. Aside from the housing market, other signs of cooling demand include businesses reporting a steep decline in consumer discretionary purchases. The current baseline is a 75-point basis point increase at the November Fed meeting and 50-point increase in December. Nothing from Powell yet. Not seeing any headlines from Powell. We are just kind of hanging out. We're still at the top of that opening range. What's everything else doing? Crude up to 80, above. Gold's cooled off a bit after hitting 1662. So that was really a big, easy for me to say, big move up there on gold. Huge range on gold today. 40 points. Ultra bond continuing to try and push toward highs. See the ultra bond here. This just was an insane move. And we did have a slight pullback here with a really choppy pullback and then back up. Nice trigger candle there. On a purple. Thank you. And 08 to 24. So they're half a point there. And Q trying to get back above this area here. Did get up to 65 earlier. You see this choppy. Chop. Makes traders drop. I repeat myself too much now. I need more lines. See if we've gotten any PAL headlines yet. Is PAL actually speaking? Does anybody know? There's like no headlines are popping from his mouth. We have crude oil inventories in 5 minutes for those that trade crude. There you go, Twitter. Jerome Powell. I'm not seeing anything on Twitter. I'm not sure what's going on with Powell. Meanwhile, we've hit 374, so we got above this glass candle, but kind of double topped on the wick. It's trying. Remember, our high of the day, high Globex, was 392. So we're not far away from there. There's a nice burst up. Maybe Powell's speaking there. Do we have a potential government shutdown coming? I keep seeing about a spending bill. Somehow this is catching me by surprise. How did I miss that? You may have, and I may have missed it. You know, I thank you. I'm not. Usually I'm on top of news like that, and somehow this just totally missed this. I'm not sure how. 89, so we just got real close to high Globex. Still don't know if I'm saying that right. 92, there it is. There it broke. It's about ready to try to break 400 here. So we ended up in a very bullish day so far here, as it breaks down in the afternoon. 401's the new high. How many ticks are you up today, Dakota? If you don't mind me asking. I don't know what happened to Pal. Pal seems to still be missing. Crude oil inventories, actual negative 0.215 million. Forecast was plus 2 million. That seems to be a pretty big beat. I mean, a pretty big miss. Nice job, Dakota. Great job, Crypticon. And, oh yeah, crude. Let's see what crude did. Oh, crude burst up on the number. Up to 80.73. So definitely, you can see a nice move up on crude. This was the trigger. It's gone up a full point since the trigger. Oh yeah, look at it roll. I'm rolling down the street. And keep pulling back a bit. So we have about a half an hour left to go. I'm slightly down on the day after being up slightly. Gave back on 2 trades. That's okay. We'll get it back. We'll figure this out eventually. Did announce the Yeah, totally lost my train of thought. Now it's the launch of the MightyOxTrading Discord. Please join us there as we try and grow the community, help newer traders, have a place for a good trading talk about prop firms openly, Discord, yeah, I'm sorry, Discord, like prop firm discounts. We can grow together as traders. Sure, once I send my press release out to Fox Business and CNBC and MS, we'll see an increase there. No kidding. Oh, that's a wonderful day, Dakota. That is an amazing day. So 410 is where we've topped so far here, it looks like. See if it can get above there. Crude still climbing here, trying to get above 81 on those inventory numbers. Gold just kind of hanging. Hanging. Ultra bond pulling back just a bit now. Oh, look at copper. Copper found some footing here. Well, actually, I guess it's been kind of coming up all day. Long. From here, right after the open-ish, came up. And then again, yeah. Two nice up moves on copper. Ouch. Oh, absolutely. You always got to be adjusting to the markets. Uh, so do you trade anything else besides UB? Like, have you traded something before UB started getting so good, Dakota? Like, do you have another asset you like? I think all I've ever seen you trade was UB so far. We're up to 416, just continuing to rise up. Gee, the only thing I can think of, and obviously I don't analyze any of this because all this is still rather new to me. But my thought is that with the Bank of England starting QE again, people think the Fed's going to pull back. So we rose up there to 423 and then pulling back. Okay, gee, see, that's something I know nothing about. Okay, so Biden's speaking right now, but Powell seems to have gotten lost. Everyone put out all points bulletin for Jerome Powell. He has missed his speech. Pulling back here. We got about 20 minutes left on the stream. Remember, folks, we do try to keep politics out of the chat because it's so much of a polarizing topic. And I prefer to have a nice, calm place where we don't like get oil, get all up in each other's face. Back up to the highs here, 22. Just kind of hanging here. Not a lot happening right now. I could have potentially played that little tickle of the EMA right there. But I don't like to play tickles. That's kind of weird. Anyway, agriculture moved up, now trying to head down. Copper pulling back. Ultra bond had another little pullback there, back above the EMA. Have a great one, Dakota. Awesome trading, and thanks. See you tomorrow. A little bit of a pullback there, but nothing much. Now we're just seeing slightly smaller candles. Everything's just kind of calming down. No Fed speaker speaking, I don't think now. I don't know what, seriously, I don't know what happened. I don't know if Powell said nothing or if he just didn't speak. Hey guys, give me a second. I might have another little announcement here. As A continues to rise up, you okay? So good luck with that, Mike. I'm checking a tweet here. Ah, not what I wanted. So Sharevision just sent me a message on Twitter. Sharevision is where I do my Asia stream each night, 7:45. Anyway, what did I just do? There we go. Those of you on Twitter, if you follow Sharevision on Twitter and like and retweet their tweet and tag a friend, you can be entered to win $100. There's 5 winners that will be announced on the 7th of October. See here, I will be retweeting this tweet here very shortly. But Here you can see that tweet. Giveaway alert, 5 times $100 cash giveaway, 5 random winners, $100 each. Follow Sharevision at Sharevision Live, like and retweet. They don't have a lot of followers, so that might be a decent chance. Hey, Naomi, I know you from Weenie. Weenie shut down for the day? Oh yeah, he has, hasn't he? Weenie have a how come Weenie's already shut down today? Thank you for joining us over here. Fortunately, Naomi, you've joined us just in because I shut down usually at 11 a.m. Eastern, so I'm not here for much longer either. Ah, okay. He just seems to do that guest thing a lot. Great job, Zach. See you tomorrow. So we see NQ here struggling to get above this level. Maybe ready for that pullback. Uh, Flirting with giving me a trigger. Oh, I know. I understand, Naomi. Yeah. Right now, we're just kind of consolidating. Sitting here, trying to decide what it wants to do. Sitting at the high of the mountain. 432 is the high of the day. Probably broke out after that ranging. Remember, folks, come check out the new Discord from MightyOxTrading. Launched it live to the public today. Hope to grow a nice little community there. I've made 3 trades all day. I mean, I honestly, I mean, the opposite of Weenie is I'm too conservative. I miss good trades. I second guess myself too much. Yeah, so yeah, I'm the opposite of him. Of course, I'm not putting him down anyway. Just I'm like the polar opposite. I don't take enough trades. There's like need to find that middle ground. Yeah, John, but a green day is a green day. I really need to come up with a Green Day song to sing when I say Green Day. Anyway, but yeah, it's still a good day, John. Video. I mean, I admit I don't even look at stocks most of the time. If someone says something, I'll take a look at a stock chart because I have no money in a brokerage for stocks or options. See, Nvidia's made a nice little move up today. I think. Yeah, it's a 15-minute chart. Yeah. But at this point, I'm 100% futures. For a minute there, I thought that was a 7.5 minute chart. I'm like, wait, what? But okay, that makes more sense. Uh, Hope you can. It's a constant fight, John. Constant fight. I had my algo running on the account that cannot be named, and I was up $340 at one point. Now it's up $16.46. And Q giving me a trigger here. As about this is candle just started. Let's check crude and oil and gold. Yeah, gold's at 16.59, just a couple points under its low. I mean high. Duh. We're at 80.80 on crude. Hit 81.19. Excuse me there. It's a nice candle down in NQ. This is 11 points, 12 points. Pulling back. Wick's bigger than the body. Barely anybody left. Oh, worst trigger candle ever. Taking the short here, though, probably stupid. It's right at 400, so that was definitely stupid. We'll see if my stupidity pays off. Great day, Mike. See you tomorrow. Hey, my stupidity's gonna pay off. Maybe. Almost. Really? Nope, did not reach my target. Came within like a tick or two. Yep, here it comes. Trying again. Pushing. Pushing. Trying. I think again. I think again. I think again. I think again. Hanging in here. Part of me really wants to just take this profit. Part of me thinks it's going to go to just, I need to be patient and let it get to its target. Should have took it, but we'll hold off. Let's see. Back to my entry. I might be letting a winner turn into a loser here. We'll see. Fighting to stay below that 400. There we go. There we go. Target hit. $250 winner there. And that makes today a green day. Something unpredictable, and in the end it's right. I hope you've had the time of your life. I think that's a Green Day song. I hope. Not, it made no sense to sing that there. Up 174 on the day. After that nice little win there that I was stressing over the entire time. Oh, I have the scene up again. When did I do that? Don't know. Anyway. Yeah, I was actually looking at Apple earlier. Someone know, yeah, Black Beauty. I think you might have seen her in Weenie's chat every now and then. She predicted today was going to be a dump day on Apple earlier. Not sure if she's still here or not. She pops up every now and then. So I got out there just at the right time. It did go down. Well, not just at the right time. Went down a little bit further, but then bounced. So let's take just a quick gander through the different markets. Copper had a good day today, popped up, nice. Gold had a beautiful day today, big move up there. Almost 40 points from bottom to top. The Ultra Bond also, I mean, there's no stop in the Ultra Bond here. I don't remember seeing a day like this in the Ultra Bond. 5 points, almost. Could thank the Bank of England. Natural gas is kind of leveled. And of course, crude on inventory news has risen up above 80. And for those following Bitcoin, Bitcoin has popped up above 19,000. And Ethereum's back above 1,300. So everything's kind of bullish today at this point. It looks like I just caught a nice little dip there that is not going real far at this point. So we'll mark that trigger candle that it worked. And actually, I mean, I didn't respond fast enough. But you can see 408 to 427. This back up, this trigger candle right here would have also worked. but I was playing with the stream controls. Let's see here. Well, I dipped down. I would have needed the 15 stop on that. Nice move there. ES did that dip and then rip. Not really. Well, there's a 6-point candle in ES there on the 5-minute. Continue. We'll hang here for a couple more minutes. I'm just curious whether to see NQ, whether or not it pops up higher. And we'll cut for the day. And remember, I'm back on Sharevision in the evening for the Asia session, 7:45. Up. So we got up to 431 there once again. That area and dropped. Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. It's not like, yep, bouncing there on the EMA. See it candle that wick down. We might go into some ranging here. Kind of looks rangy at this point before. Part of me thinks we're going to see a drop in the afternoon. But we might see some range first. So Naomi, I want to thank you for joining me. Glad you came over. Fortunately, you came over right toward the tail end of the stream. I usually stream till about 11 a.m. with the exception of FOMC days. So sorry to end soon after you joined, but I hope you'll come over and visit more often. Nice having you here. Nice having everyone here. Hope you've enjoyed today's stream. Like I said, back on Sharevision tonight, then back here tomorrow morning, starting at 7:30 Eastern. Hope everyone. Thank you very much, Naomi. Hope everyone has a great day. Check out the Discord if you haven't already. Newly launched Discord for MightyOxTrading. And we'll see you either tonight on Sharevision or tomorrow. Bye. I hope you enjoyed today's live stream. If you did, I'd love if you hit the thumbs up button. Remember, we do stream every morning on YouTube and Twitch from 7:30 a.m. to 11 a.m. and every evening on Sharevision from 7:45 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. and every Friday from 2 to 4 p.m. Also, I'd love to have you follow me on social media. We're on Twitter at MightyOxTrading, Instagram at MightyOxTrading, and Reddit at r/oxmarkettrading. Have a great day.